Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. In this week tutorial, I want to show you how you can make the top navigation menu sticky if you are using the Astra free theme. Okay, so you can see that when I scroll down, this top navigation menu is not sticky. So this is the default behavior of the free Astra theme. So I'm going to show you how you can using some CSS codes to make it sticky. So first you need to log in to your WordPress dashboard and go to appearance, then go to customize. So I believe this coding that I'm going to share with you will work for all the Astro theme, but you have to give it a try also. So once you are in the customize page, go to additional CSS and you can see there's a place for you to paste in the CSS coding. So these are all the CSS coding that you need to paste, and I will copy this in the YouTube description below so that you can copy them as well. So then I will paste it in here, and let me explain that this is the to tell WordPress where to apply the CSS in which element and position fixed. So it means that when you scroll down, you see that the bar is sticky. Then the width 100% means it's span across the entire screen. And the background is where you put in the color. So you can put in, for example, you can put in red, then you will change to red. You can also put in the HTML color code, for example, FFF, FFF stands for white color. So when you scroll down, you see that it's a white color. Okay, so I can click publish. Once I click publish, I can go to my incognito window, do a refresh, and it should reflect the changes. So I scroll down, you can see that now the top navigation menu will follow where I scroll. And if I click about, go to the about page, it same applies to other page as well. I go back to home page and I change to mobile view. You can see that when I scroll down, this mobile view also remains sticky also. So I hope that this small little tutorial will help you to make the Astro theme, especially if you are using the free version, to make the header sticky. If you find useful, feel free to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I thank you very much. See you in my next video.